Example solved on the topic derivative. Before we proceed, subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Derivative of implicit function. Derivative of implicit function. Examples on implicit function. First example. Find dy by dx. If x square plus y square equal to 4xy, differentiate with respect to x. X square dy dx, x square plus y square is equals to d by dx 4xy. Derivative of x square 2x plus derivative of y square 2y dy by dx is equals to 4 is the coefficient of xy, so remain as it is, and use product rule in between xy. Derivative of first term 1, derivative of first term is x, so 1 y plus x as it is, and derivative of y dy by dx. Multiply by 4 and simplify the bracket. 4y plus 4x dy by dx. Transfer the term 4x dy by dx on the left side and 2x on the right side. Then 2y dy by dx minus 4x dy by dx is equals to 4y minus 2x. Common outside 2 and dy by dx. 2 dy by dx into bracket y minus 2x is equals to common outside 2 into bracket 2y minus x. Then 2 get cancelled and transfer the bracket term y minus 2x on the right side. Then we get dy by dx is equals to 2y minus x divided by y minus 2x is the final result. Next example, sin y is equals to log into bracket x plus y. Differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x. First, sin y, derivative dy dx sin y is equals to d by dx log x plus y. Derivative of sin is cos y into dy by dx, chain rule. Then derivative of log 1 upon x plus y into bracket derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y dy by dx using chain rule. Then simplify the bracket 1 upon x plus y plus 1 upon x plus y into dy by dx. Transfer this term on the left side. Cos y into dy by dx minus 1 upon x plus y dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x plus y. Common outside x plus y cos y minus 1 upon x plus y bracket complete into dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x plus y. Taking LCM, x plus y into cos y minus 1 whole divided by x plus y into dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x plus y. Transfer this term on the right side. We get dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x plus y into x plus y divided by into bracket x plus y into cos y minus 1. 1 x plus y get cancelled. Then is equals to 1 upon into bracket x plus y cos y minus 1 is the final result. Another example on implicit function x cube plus y cube is equals to 3a xy. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx into bracket x cube plus y cube is equals to d by dx into bracket 3a xy. Derivative of x cube 3x square plus derivative of y cube 3y square dy by dx is equals to 3a is coefficient, remain as it is, and using product rule for xy. Derivative of x is 1, so y remain as it is plus x remain as it is into derivative of y dy by dx. Simplify bracket, 3 common outside get cancelled. We get a into y plus ax into dy by dx. Transfer this ax dy by dx on left side and x square on right side. We get y square dy by dx minus ax into dy by dx is equals to ay minus x square. Common outside dy by dx, y square minus ax in bracket complete dy by dx is equals to ay minus x square. Then dy by dx is equals to ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax is the final result. Consider another example. If e raised to y is equals to y raised to x, prove that dy by dx is equals to log y bracket square whole divided by log y minus 1. First, write the given example. E raised to y minus y raised to x, not minus, equal to e raised to y is equals to y raised to x. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Log e raised to y is equals to log y raised to x. Using power rule, logarithmic power rule, taking y in front of log, y log e is equals to x log y. Log e is equals to 1. Log a raised to b is equals to b log a. Power rule. Therefore, y is equals to x log y. Then differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, derivative of y is dy by dx, and according to the product rule, derivative of x is 1, so log y minus x as it is plus, according to the product rule, x derivative of x is 1, so log y remain as it is, plus x as it is and derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx is equals to log y plus x upon y into dy by dx. Transfer the term x upon y into dy by dx on the left side. We get dy by dx minus x upon y dy by dx is equals to log y. Common outside dy by dx, 1 minus x upon y bracket complete dy by dx is equals to log y. Simplify this bracket, y minus x divided by y into dy by dx is equals to log y. Transfer this term on the right side. Dy by dx is equals to log y into y divided by y minus x. But the value of y is equals to x log y. Substitute the value of y in above term. We get equation dy by dx is equals to log y into x log y divided by x log y minus x. Then x log y into log y bracket square divided by, in the denominator common outside x into bracket log y minus 1, x cancel, then the value is log y bracket square divided by log y minus 1 is verified. If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.